What is the soft product really like on Qantas First? You'll be welcomed by slippers, a Qantas First branded sleep suit, and your amenity kit at your seat when you board. You can peruse the menu, ready to eat whenever you would like during the flight. Your multi-course meal starts with bread, moves on to a starter, and then a main, and then a dessert. And after all that, and it's time to go and have a nap, you can use all the contents of your very branded first class amenity kit. Then it's time to get ready to go to sleep with the luxurious bedding in your first class suite. Night night.